up to where ma'am have completed?
So different types of sets.
Define types of sets.
Sets
Uh,
and Venn diagram.
up to Venn diagram. So have you know about subset?
Yes, sir.
It is given, that means already. What is subset? It is given, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, since I don't know what ma'am have done in the previous class, so today I will take the exercise number this one. Okay. So you have to listen it properly and do it. So let's start. So if I asked you what is equivalent set, what is equivalent set? Can you give me the answer? What is a equivalent set?
Sir, if two sets consist the same elements, they are called equivalent sets.
No, not same elements. So here, listen all of you. If you have a notebook, then please note down it. Equivalent set. That means if two sets have equal number of elements. Okay. If two sets have equal number of elements, then the sets are called equivalent sets. Okay. That means suppose A set has 5 elements and B has also 5 elements, then the sets are called equivalent sets. Okay. So now see, come to this exercise. So what is given, which is the following are example of null set. Okay. So all of you know what is a null set. Null set means what? If a set contain no elements. Okay. If a set contain no elements, then this set is called what? Null set. Clear? So what is the first one here? Set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Okay. So all of you know that any odd number is not divisible by 2. That means this set contain no elements. Okay, this set contain no element. So obviously what happened? It is an example of what? Null set. It is an example of null set. Okay, now see, what is the second one? Set of even prime numbers. Is there any even prime numbers? Anyone? Is there any even prime number?
So 3.
No, 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. Is there any even prime number? You may be wrong also, no problem. Tell me. Simple one. At first, you have to know what
So
is
2.
an. Yeah, it is correct. It is 2. You have to know what is a prime number. Okay. Prime number is nothing but what? The number which has only divisors are what? 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. Clear? So only even prime number is 2. So here question is set of even prime numbers. So this set contain one number which is 2. Okay, so this is not an empty set. This is not an empty set. Clear? Now see the next one. What it is given? X such that x is a natural numbers where x less than to 5 and x greater than to 7. Can anyone tell me what is the answer? Is this one is an empty set or not? X is a natural number where x less than to 5 and must be greater than to 7 also. See here. All of you know that x less than to 5 means what? It may be 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, or 1 also. Okay. And x greater than to 7 means it start from 8, 9, 10 proceeding in this way. Okay. Now, is it possible that same number is less than to 5 and greater than to 7? Suppose 4. Okay, suppose it is 4. 4 is less than 5. But is it greater than to 7? Is 4 is greater than to 7? No. Okay. 4 is not greater than 7. So it is not possible to get a number which is less than to 5 and greater than to 7 at this same in silent. Okay. So it is an example of null set. Now next one is what? Y such that Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Now tell me, someone tell me, is this one is a null set or not? Y such that Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Anyone? Dijumoni, tell me. It may be wrong also, I already told you, no problem. Is this one is a null set or not? Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Anyone? Sarango? You have to tell me now. It may be wrong also, I already told you. Yeah, Sarango, tell me, is this one is a empty set or not?
Set.
Yeah.
Yes, it is an empty set.
Yeah, it is an empty set. Why it is an empty set? See here. Y is a common to any two parallel lines. Parallel lines mean what? Non-intersecting line, is it or not? Parallel line means what? Non-intersecting lines. So it is not possible to get a common point between any two parallel lines. Okay, so obviously this is a empty set. This is an empty set. Okay. Now come to the next one. Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? These are all finite sets, set of months of a year. Now second one is a finite set or infinite set? 1, 2, 3. It is an
Infinite set.
Yeah, it is an infinite set. That means it's up to infinity. Clear? Third one is finite set. You know this one. Again, fourth one is what? The set of positive integer greater than 100. Okay, set of positive integer greater than 100. So it's up to infinity, is it or not? From 101, 102 up to infinity.
Yes.
So obviously it is also an infinite.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is
Yes,
the
sir.
next one? The set of prime numbers less than 99. It is set of prime number less than 99. Is this one is finite or infinite?
Finite.
Obviously it is finite, because prime numbers start from what? 2, 3, 5, 7 proceeding in this way. So we have to take those prime numbers which is less than to 99. Okay, which is less than to 99. So this is also a finite set. Now come to the next one. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. What is the first one? The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Tell me, this one is finite or infinite? The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Tell me, this is finite or infinite?
Finite.
It is
Finite.
finite. Sanjukta, you tell me, is this one is finite or infinite? Okay, Deepdeka, you tell me, is this one is finite or infinite? Anyone, you tell me, no problem. It may be wrong also.
Sir, finite,
The finite.
It is
infinite.
not finite. Okay, see here, you can try yourself, right? You draw the x-axis. You draw the x-axis. After that, you can draw infinite number of lines parallel to x-axis. Is it or not? Is there
Yes,
any
sir.
limitation that we have to draw only 10 lines parallel to x-axis? Is there any limitations? No
No, sir.
limitations. You can
No,
draw
sir.
infinite number of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Okay, remember, so this is an example of infinite set. Okay, so come to the next one. So this set of letters in the English alphabet, this is finite, you know this one. Next one, this set of numbers which are multiple of 5. This set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Obviously, this is finite or infinite?
Infinite,
It is, yeah. I cannot hear you. Tell me.
infinite, sir.
Finite.
Infinite.
Yeah, it is infinite. You can find any multiple of 5. It is 10,000, 1 crore, 100 crore, 10 billion. So obviously it is what? Infinite set. Okay. Next, this one, this set of animals living on the earth. This one is finite or infinite?
Infinite.
Infinite. Anyone?
Finite, sir.
It is.
Finite.
Finite, sir.
See here, actually what happened, literally we cannot calculate or we cannot count all the animals on the earth. Okay, it is not possible to us. But what happened, we can count those animals, is it or not? Okay,
Yes.
it is possible to count those elements. So if you counting in this way, at last it will end. Clear? So that's why it is a finite set. Actually, there is some more definition: countably finite, uncountably finite. Okay. So this up to this section. So this set is actually finite set. We can count those. Okay, and there must be one limitations. Okay, so that's why it is a finite set. Now come to the last one. This set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. Tell me this one.
Infinite.
It is
Infinite, sir.
infinite.
Infinite.
Sir.
Yeah, good. That means we
Infinite.
can draw infinite number of circles through one point. Now listen to me carefully. I will ask one question. Tell me, this set of lines passing through 2 points. Tell me, this is finite or infinite? This
Finite.
sir.
set of
Right, sir.
lines, one second, listen carefully at first. This set of lines passing through 2 points. This is finite or infinite?
Finite.
It is finite.
Finite.
Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Finite or infinite?
Finite, sir.
Finite.
Yeah, good. That means you know this one. We can draw only one line. We can draw only one line by taking 2 points. Okay, it is not possible to get more than one line. Okay, so that's why it is a finite set. Now question number state whether A equal to B. Now see question number 4. Question number 4. So we have to check whether A equal to B. A contains the element A, B, C, D. Same way B also contain the element D, C, B, A. That means same element. So obviously A and B are what? A and B are what? equal sets. Again, number 2 is 4, 8, 12, 16. Here 4, no, there's no 18 is there. So A is not equal to B. Again, number 3 is what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And B equal to what? X is a positive even integer and X less than equal to 10. Now this one is equal or not? 4, 3.
Yes, sir.
It is
Equal, sir.
equal because it is
Equal,
given
sir.
X is a positive even integer and it is less than or equal to 10. That means it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, clear? Now last one, what it is given? X such that X is a multiple of 10. That means it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 proceeding in this way. And what is the set B? B is 10, 15 is there, 25 is there, but there is no 15, 25. Okay, so obviously it is not equal. Now
Not equal.
tell me 5, 1, 5, 1. Is these are equal or not? A is the set containing the elements 2 and 3. Okay. A is the set containing the elements 2 and 3. And B set where X is a solution of X square plus 5X plus 6 equal to 0. Now, what is the solution of this equation? X square plus 5X plus 6 equal to 0. You can
Equal,
factorize.
sir.
Yeah,
Equal, sir.
it is
Equal.
all of you get it. See here, what is the solution of X square plus 5 plus 6? Listen to me carefully because it is not
3 and
possible
2.
for me to do it. Okay, just I can tell you. Listen. So this X square plus 5X plus 6 equal to 0 can be factorized. So if you factorize this one, then you can write in this way: X square plus twice X plus thrice X plus 6 equal to 0. So after taking X common, what is left? X plus 2. From next 2, if you take 3 common, X plus 2 is left. That means after factorization, you will get X plus 2 into X plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, X plus 2 into X plus 3 equal to 0. So that means X plus 2 equal to 0 or X plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, listen, X plus 2 equal to 0 or X plus 3 equal to 0. Then X equal to what? If X plus 2 equal to 0, then X equal to what? Minus 2. Similarly, if X plus 3 equal to 0, then X equal to what? Minus 3. That means what are the solutions? B contains the element minus 2 and minus 3. And A contains the element 2 and 3. Now you tell me, is A and B are equal or not?
No, sir.
It is not equal because B, what are the elements of B? It is minus 2 and minus 3. And what are the elements of A? It is 2 and 3. So these two are not equal. Okay. So now tell me, what is the next one? X such that X is a letter in the word follow. And Y is a letter in the word wolf. You tell me whether this is equal or not.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Whether this
Yes,
is equal or not.
Yes.
X is a letter in the word follow. Okay, that means what are the letters of follow? It contains F, comma, O, comma, L, comma, W. No need to repeat the
Equal,
same
sir.
letter. Okay. only contains F, comma, O, comma, L, comma, W. Okay. Same way, the second set B, it also contains the same F, comma, O, comma, L, comma, W. Okay. So obviously these two are same, is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
these two are same. So obviously these two are equal set. Okay. Now come to these subsets. Is the definition of subset is given or not? I think
Given,
ma'am
sir.
have already given the definitions of subsets.
Sir.
It is given. You know, that means you know what is a subset.
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll discuss some problems.
Yes.
Now now tell me whether this set of real numbers is subset of natural numbers. Whether this set of real numbers is subset of natural number.
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, no, because you know that all this set
Sir.
of rational number, set of integers, set of natural number, okay, set of irrational number, these all are subsets of set of real numbers. Okay, these all are
Real number.
subsets of set of real numbers. Here it is given, see, n subset of z, z means set of integers, again z subset of q, q means set of rational numbers. Again, after that it is given q is also subset of r, r means real numbers. Okay. Now, I think you know what is the power set. What is the power set?
Yes, sir.
A power set means what? This set contain all the subsets of a set. Okay, so come here. So first one, see, we have to check whether the first one is a subset of the second one or not. So very simple one, 2, 3, 4. So the second set also contain 2, 3, 4. So obviously this 2, 3, 4 is a subset of second one. Now whether the second one A, B, C and this one is B, C, D. Okay, this second set not contains the element A. Okay, this second set not contains the element A. So that's why it is not a subset of the second one. Now come to 3, question number 3. What it is given? X such that X is a student of class 11 of your school. And the second one, what is given? X such that X is a student of your school. Okay, X is a student of your school. Now tell me whether first one is a subset of the second one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because the second set contain all the students of our school. It contains the students of class 11 also. Okay. Now, next one, see here. X such that X is a circle in the plan. And here what is? X such that X is a circle in the same plan with radius 1 unit. Okay. X, first one is X such that X is a circle in the plan. And the second one is what? X such that X is a circle in the same plan with radius 1 unit. Now tell me whether first one is a subset of second one.
No, sir.
No.
It is not, because the first
Second one is a subset of first one.
yeah, second one is a subset of first one, because The first one contains all these circles, whether the radius is 1 unit or whether it is 2 unit or some radius is some. So obviously this first one is not a subset of second one. Next one is what? X such that X is a triangle in the plan. Okay, X such that X is a triangle in the plan. And it is given X such that X is a rectangle in the plan. So it is not a subset of second one because first one contains the triangle and the second one contains the rectangle. Okay. Now see next one. X such that X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. And next one, X is a triangle in the same plane. This one is subset or not?
Subset. Yes, sir.
6-1.
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes, sir.
contains a first set contains all the equilateral triangle, and second set contains all kind of triangle. It may be equilateral also, it may be right angle triangle also, it may be isosceles triangles also. Okay, so obviously what happened? First one is subset of second one. This one you know this. Okay.
Second one.
Now come to question number 3. It is very important. Come to question number 3. Okay, listen it. All of you listen it carefully. Very important one. So here a set is given. Now at first tell me what is the total number of elements of this set A. By seeing this, tell me what is the total number of elements of this set A.
4.
4. Rest of you tell me. It contains how many elements? 4 elements. 1, 2.
Yes.
This 2 means it is a 1 elements. Okay, and this one. So total 4 elements is there. So which of the following statements are incorrect and why? So first one is 3/4 subset of A. Is this is true or not?
True, sir.
It is no. Anyone? Why it is not true?
Sir, true.
It is true. Anyone? Raise. Dijumoni, tell me whether it is true or not.
True, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
False. True. It's not true.
It is not true. Okay.
Hello?
See. Because 3/4 it is
Because
elements. Okay. 3/4 it is an element of this set A. Clear? It not represents a set. When we can say that A is subset of B. In that case, what happened? Both A and B must be a set. Here 3/4 don't represents a set. It represents an element of the set A. See here, 3/4 is in the set A. So that's why it is not a subset of A. Okay. Now tell me in the second one, 3/4 belongs to A. This one is true or not? Three four belongs to A. I already told you belongs to means what? When the element is
true, sir.
set. Here 3/4 is in the set A, is it or not? Here did element 3/4 is in the set A. So obviously
Yes.
3/4 is belongs to the set A. Yeah. Now tell me whether 3 is correct or not.
Correct, sir.
Correct.
It
Yes,
is
sir.
correct because whenever we be given this extra bracket, curly bracket, it represents a set. So that's why it is a subset of A. Now 4, you know this one, 1 belongs to A, obviously it is true. 1 subset of A, it is not true. Again 1 to 5 subset of A, this one is true or not?
True, sir.
It is true because this set 1 to 5, when we given this curly brackets, it represents a set and it is a subset of A. Now the next one, 1 to 5 belongs to A, this one,
True, sir.
it is,
True.
see here, okay, whenever we given this curly bracket, it represents a set, okay, it represents a set, and a set cannot belongs to this 1 to 5, or you can say this 1 to 5 must be a one element, then only you can say that it belongs to A. Okay, this is not belongs to A. This one is correct. 6 1 1 to 5 is a subset of A. This one is, if those curly brackets is not given, only 1 comma 2 comma 5 belongs to A, then it is correct. Okay, if only 1 comma 2 comma 5 is given and those curly brackets are not given, then it is correct, it belongs to A. Clear? Next one, see, 1 2 3 subset of A, this is correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong.
Because 3 is not an element of the set A. Okay, 3 4 contain one element, 3 is not an element of this set. Okay, so that's why it is not a subset of A. Now 9 5 belongs to A, this is correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Because 5 means what? It is
Wrong.
empty set. Okay, it is a subset of A. This one, yeah, 10 5 is a subset of A, it is not belongs to A. And the last one,
False.
last one,
False.
Wrong, sir.
it is wrong. Okay, whenever we given 5 in between two curly brackets, then that means what? It is a set contain the elements 5, it not represents the empty set. Okay, so now
Yes.
you tell me what is the answer of 5. How many elements has PA if A equal to 5? PA means
1.
power set of A. It is
1. 1.
1. Correct. Because you know that if A contains n number of elements, then total number of subset is what? 2 to the power n. Okay. Here A equal to 5 means what? It contains no elements. That means 0 elements. So total number of subset will be what? 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 means what? 1. Okay. Now tell me what is the answer of question number 8. What is the universal set would you propose for each of the following? This set of right triangles and this set of isosceles triangles. What is the universal set? Do you know what is the meaning of universal set? What is the meaning of universal set? No, if you do not tell me, I will tell you.
Universal set is
Even all even numbers.
No.
universal set is the set which include all the sets.
Yeah, that is okay. The meaning of universal set is what? In any context or any discussion, the biggest set is called the universal set. Okay. Now, whenever we talk about numbers, you know that this set of integers are subset of real numbers. This set of natural number are subset of real numbers. Set of rational numbers are subset of real numbers. So in that context, This set of real number is the universal set. Okay. Now, if you talk about triangles, there are some right angle triangle, there are some isosceles triangle, there are some equilateral triangles also, is it or not? Okay. So in that case, what will
Yes,
be
sir.
your universal set? It will be what? This set of all triangles. Okay. Whenever we talk this set of all triangles means what? It contains right triangles also, isosceles triangles also, equilateral triangle also. Is it clear? Okay, so your
Yes,
answer,
sir.
Yes,
answer
sir.
will be set
Yes,
of
sir.
all triangles. Similarly, if you discuss about the students of your class, okay, so suppose the students of BSc or student of BCA, so tell me in that case, what will be your universal set?
For students in additive.
Yeah, good. In that case, the biggest set is what? The students of our university. Clear? The student, the set of all students of ADTU. So that's good. Okay then. So that's all for today. Clear? Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure.
Okay then. So you kindly give the attendance in the group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. That's all for today.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.